Hazrat Huzaifa radiyallahu anhu states that a man said, if I had been in Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam times, I would have participated in jihad along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and fought valiantly. Hazrat Huzaifa radiyallahu anhu said, you might have done it, but I remember the scene that we were along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam on the night of the Battle of Confederates. That was a cold night and wind was blowing extremely hard. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, is there anyone who will go and fetch the secret information about the infidels? On the resurrection day, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will grant him my company. We maintained silence and none of us gave any reply. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam again said, is there anyone who will go and fetch the secret information about the infidels? On the resurrection day, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will grant him my company. We remained silent and none of us gave any reply. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam again said, is there anyone who will go and fetch the secret information about the infidels? On the resurrection day, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will grant him my company. We kept silent and none of us gave any reply. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, O Huzaifa, you should go and fetch the secret information about the infidels. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam called my name, I could not help standing. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam further said, go and fetch the secret information about the infidels, but do not infuriate them against me. When I got up, it sounded as if I were walking in a hot bathroom until I reached near them to see Abu Sufyan warming his back with fire. I put an arrow in the bow and intended to shoot him, but right then I remembered the advice of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Do not provoke them against me. If I had shot the arrow, undoubtedly it would have hit the target, but I came back while I was feeling as if I were walking in a hot bathroom. When I reached the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I related to him the information of the infidels. When I had finished relating, I began to feel cold. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon wrapped me in his extra blanket with which he sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to wrap himself while performing the prayer. Draped in it, I kept sleeping until it was morning. When it was morning, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, get up, O heavy sleeper. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4616.